All right, guys, check out this beautiful truck. It's really nicely done. Got a really nice wrap on it. HEMI 2500 heavy duty, 5.7 liter beast. Look at this, fuel wheels. It's a really nice truck all the way around. And when we got done on it, it's something really beautiful. We'll show you guys in a minute. There is the front of it. Really nice. When we got done on it, it's got factory converters there, and secondaries back here, right there. Then we did 3-inch pipe, deleted the stock muffler, and put a Black Widow VENOM series 250 part number on the other side. WIDBWSDV 2-32. Is that big enough? There's another number here too. There and there. Anyways, and then we had to custom bend everything because of the rear end. It's got a massive rear end on it, as you guys can see. It's huge. All right, so we did 2 1/4 tailpipes custom bent all the way out the back on each side, there and there, into some massive 6-inch tips to complete the look. Look at the massive tips right there. You guys gotta admit that looks awesome. There they are, right there. Massive 6-inch tips. So there'll be a link in the description for everything that we can find for you guys, okay? Or something similar, if we can find it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sounds phenomenal. Right at 110. 105. Your sound levels. Again? It reached 110 earlier. What do you guys think of the sound? I think it sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside. Do it this way because it's pouring down rain outside. So we're actually having the customer back it up and leave with it. Black Widow, dual exhaust.